Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send files using LocalSend. All right, so first up, as you can see here in the right-hand side, I have my computer opened. And the left side, I have my phone. So let's say I would like to send files from my computer to my phone. So make sure that both devices got LocalSend opened. All right. So once that's done, on the other device, make sure that it is under the receiving section. And to the device that wanted to send the file, make sure that it is under send. Now click on file. And let's say I'm just going to go ahead and send this blank file right here. I'm going to click on open. And here we have the preview. And all you got to do next is just send this to the other device. Now, if you can't see your device right here, make sure that you click on search devices or refresh. If you can't still see it, make sure that all of your devices are connected to the same exact Wi-Fi connection. All right. And once that's done, select the receiving device right here. And then on the receiving device, just click on accept. And once that's done, here we have it. You'll be able to find it right here under storage, emulated, download. Yours may be different. Okay. So just go ahead and find that file folder. Let's go ahead over to files right here. And also you'll be able to see it under recent. And that's how simple it is to send files using LocalSend. This video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.